features are categorical. I will upload the data and run this program again. Interaction categorical and continuous. Both the data sets we will share with you. And we have now the ANOVA table, which is which will give us further proof that the interaction between ice cream and condiment is significant. Here we have to write import stats models. This will work on the input of the previous OLS model, and here we have finally the interaction effect. It is significant because probability is very less, even though the individual effects, the main effects of food and condiment, the condiment is less than the threshold of 0.05, but food is not less than the threshold. So we can conclude that if p value, which is there is an interaction effect, or even we can say main effect, here we have the p value like this for food, which is 0.08. so p value of food is this, which is greater than the threshold. That is why it is not significant. Similarly, the interaction condiment also, if we see the p value, it is not significant, and it is significant, and then this is definitely, the interaction effect is definitely significant because it is far less than the threshold of 0.05. In this way, we have stated that the interaction effect between food and condiment is statistically significant on the level of enjoyment, which is on the y-axis. So that way we can prove that interaction effect is quite a higher value, is significant. Next, let us again try on a new topic. This one is on the another new data set, which is we have campaign type, which is a variable. The campaign type is categorical, and we have the sales, another value, which is numeric, and we have advertising budget, which is numeric. So we have two features, and our question is there an interaction between campaign type and advertising budget on the sales? So is there an interaction or not? That is our question. So let us try to solve this through use of our analysis. Here we can create a data set. So this will be the data set. I will fill it with dummy values for now. First, we have advertising. So advertising budget. This we can populate. Then we have campaign type, and finally sales. So we can take some values here in the advertising budget, and here are the values: 100, 150, and we have 200, and we have 250, 300, 100, 150, 200, 250 and 300. Then we have campaign type, which is online. Again it is online, so I am generating dummy data. It is online, again online, online, and then 5 times it is offline. Offline, 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 5 times. And then there is sales data, 50, 60, 80, 90, 110, 30, 40, 50, 55 and 70. So this is the dependent variable sales, which is sales, and the independent variables, they are advertising budget and campaign type. These are the two independent variables. So first is we have to get whether there is the interaction effect with the help of the value. So we have, there is an error, advertise, so this has to be a list like this. Okay, so we can print the data set in this way. Yes, so here we have advertising budget and we have campaign type. Whether there is a interaction of both these features on sales, that is the question. We can use we can create our model SMF OLS. Sorry, okay, so we can create that model first. In that model we have the input as sales, campaign type which is categorical, so I have put C here, and advertising budget is numeric. Since it is the effect is we want to check whether the interaction effect is there, so I put a multiplication sign. Remember that interaction effect is multiplication of the individual factors. So here we have the individual factors as well as their interaction effect. It looks significant. Let us also create the ANOVA table and confirm. The ANOVA is like this. We can paste the ANOVA here and check whether the what it says. We will have to print the ANOVA table. Okay, so we have the interaction as very significant. These are the results. So the P value of campaign type, which is 0.000003. Then there is advertising budget, that is, now we have the advertising budget, and next is the campaign type and advertising budget. So even that is far less than the threshold, which makes it a significant, and hence our conclusion is that there is a significant interaction effect of campaign type and advertising budget on the sales of the company. We can also do one more thing. We can check whether there is the visualization. What does that tell us? So let us see the visualization. If we plot the Seaborn SNS, Seaborn as SNS, so SNS dot lm plot. Here on x-axis we have the advertising budget. On y-axis we have the sales. So name of that column is sales. And one more thing, we need the legend, so that is hue, which is the campaign type, and finally we need also the data set, which is the variable data set. So here also you can see that when we have advertising budget on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis, based on the campaign type we get two different linear plots. The slope, if it is same, that means there is no effect, no interaction effect. But you can see the slope is not same. For online campaign it is a steeper slope. So it means that online campaigns, if you increase the advertising budget, the sales increases faster. Offline also there is a positive slope, but it is lesser than the online campaigns. That means even if you increase the advertising budget for offline sales, offline campaigns, the sales will increase at a lesser rate than the online sales, online campaign. That means your online campaign will be more effective at the given budget. Okay, that is the conclusion that we draw from this visualization, plus we have also proved it with our linear model and ANOVA. One more type of plot is the point plot. Even that we can draw. For point plot we have cat plot here, and I think kind equal to point. Okay, so let us see what the point plot tells us. In general, the same thing, that for offline sales are increasing with budget at a lesser rate than the online. Online sales are increasing faster than they will for the given budget. Okay, so that's it. We will see more examples in the next video. So keep watching.